Welcome back to the channel Future Speed Hub 2026. Today we are going to dive deep into one of the most powerful defensive technologies ever developed in modern warfare, the surface-to-air missile system, often known as SAM. These missile systems are designed to detect, track, and destroy enemy aircraft, helicopters, drones, or even incoming ballistic missiles before they can strike their intended target. In the constantly evolving battlefield, SAM systems have become a backbone of national defense for many countries, combining speed, accuracy, and advanced radar technology to protect both strategic military sites and civilian infrastructure. A surface-to-air missile system works in a sequence of highly advanced steps. First, the radar detects the approaching target from a long distance. Once locked, the information is transmitted to the command system, which quickly decides whether the object is a threat or not. If confirmed, the missile is launched at incredible speed, often several times faster than sound, guided either by radar signals, infrared heat signatures, or a combination of multiple tracking technologies. Within seconds, the missile reaches its target and neutralizes the threat before it can cause damage. This makes SAM systems one of the most effective deterrents in air defense. Different countries have developed their own variations of SAMs, each with unique features and capabilities. The United States operates systems like the Patriot Missile Defense System, which is famous for its long-range capabilities and effectiveness against both aircraft and ballistic missiles. Russia, on the other hand, has introduced the S-300, S-400, and now the S-500 series, which are considered some of the most advanced air defense systems in the world, capable of engaging multiple targets at different ranges and altitudes simultaneously. China has also developed systems like the HQ-9, which are designed to compete with Russian and American technologies, while European countries rely on systems such as the Aster missile family, integrated into both land-based and naval defense networks. What makes a surface-to-air missile system special is its range and versatility. Some short-range systems, often mounted on trucks or armored vehicles, are designed to protect troops on the battlefield from low-flying aircraft and drones. These are mobile, fast, and can be deployed anywhere within minutes. Medium-range systems provide a larger protective umbrella over important facilities like air bases, power plants, or government headquarters. And then come the long-range systems, often called strategic SAMs, which can guard an entire region or even a whole country against high-altitude bombers, stealth fighters, and even intercontinental ballistic missiles. Another key element of SAM systems is their ability to work as part of an integrated air defense network. Instead of operating alone, modern systems are often connected to satellites, radar stations, early warning aircraft, and other defense technologies. This creates a shield that is much harder for enemy forces to penetrate. The moment an enemy aircraft takes off, it can be tracked across hundreds of kilometers, and SAMs can be positioned to respond in real time. This combination of advanced radar, communication, and missile technology makes modern air defense both complex and highly effective. In today's world, drones have become a growing threat. Small, fast, and cheap drones can attack important targets with precision. This is where short-range SAM systems, also called SHORAD, come into action. These systems use both missiles and rapid-fire guns to eliminate drones and low-flying helicopters. At the same time, larger long-range SAM systems remain the ultimate guardians against advanced jet fighters and ballistic missiles. The cost of developing and operating a surface-to-air missile system is very high, but for countries around the world, it is considered a necessary investment. Without such systems, military bases, cities, and vital infrastructure would be extremely vulnerable to aerial attacks. For this reason, SAM systems are always upgraded with new technology such as electronic countermeasures, stealth detection capability, and hypersonic missile interceptors. Hypersonic weapons are one of the biggest challenges today, as they move at extreme speeds and are very difficult to track. That is why future SAM systems are being designed with more powerful radars, faster missiles, and artificial intelligence to predict and respond to threats within seconds. For the general public, the surface-to-air missile system might look like just a truck with launch tubes or a set of vertical silos on the ground, but in reality, it is one of the most sophisticated defense machines on the planet. Every launch is the result of advanced coordination between radar operators, command units, and missile guidance systems. When a missile lights up the sky and streaks toward its target, it represents decades of engineering, billions of dollars of research, and countless hours of training for the crews who operate it. As we look into the future, SAM's systems will continue to evolve. From countering stealth aircraft to defeating hypersonic missiles, from shooting down drones to providing missile defense or umbrellas over entire cities, their role is only becoming more critical. Nations that possess strong air defense systems can deter enemies and maintain air superiority without even launching an offensive strike. In this way, SAMs are not just weapons but also tools of stability, ensuring that airspace remains protected and secure. So, when you hear about Patriot missiles defending a city, or an S-400 being deployed on a border, or an Iron Dome intercepting rockets in midair, you are actually witnessing the power of surface-to-air missile systems in action. They are the silent guardians of the sky, always watching, always ready, and always prepared to protect against any airborne threat. Thank you for watching and staying with us here on Future Speed Hub 2026. If you enjoyed this detailed journey into the world of surface-to-air missile systems, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more military technology content. And as always, I see you in the next video.